to take a window out there. I mean, what's the worst that could happen?
Where do we start?
Pull it all the way through.
What, this?
No, the wire. Pull the wire right the way through. The whole thing. Pull it. You snapped it.
Snap thing in a minute.
So, we found out windows out, and I'm just using a multi-tool on the edge to get all of the old bonding off, which is very difficult. The reason this is leaking is because whoever fitted this window didn't bond these panels together to make it straight. So when the glass should be level and it should be sitting tight to the metal surface, but it needs to be hammered in, see? So all the glass was bonded to was this little thin outer ledge, because that bit dips in, it comes out at an angle. That's why we're leaking. Look at that bit, that's ridiculous up there. See it better? So that needs to be pushed right in. Then you get a flat bond across the entire length. All across there you want it bonded, but it's just on the edges. We use cheese wire to get it out, and look, this bit's all bashed up, sticking right out. It's like almost like a gutter there. Always gonna leak. So now we've got to order some more clamps. We go B&Q, get some clamps, bond this together so it doesn't move, these two panels, let it set, and then get the rest of this cleaned up. Then we can get the window in. Always something. Knew it wasn't going to be easy. It's always something extra. See the difference already. Would that be a jigsaw? It's done that, right? Yeah, it is jigsaw. See. But look, how did you not get a straight line? You stop there and then. Man, come on, man. fucking towel, you know.
Well, I'd like to think more of flannel than a towel. Go on, muscle.